A second question, again, not related, but I've heard this question several times today, and it comes up every year. I'd like to couch it in sort of a different phrase. Let's say that you stepped outside of this building and were hit by a bus.
Yeah, we've got one fellow objects to that here as a shareholder. It's normally a truck. And he happens to be in the trucking business, so he...
Or give it...
Just so it isn't a Geico driver, but...
given Omaha, it could be a road grader.
Yeah, right.
What kind, I mean, that would be a sudden, I mean, maybe you'd come out of it with a great fastball. Maybe that's it, but you wouldn't have your facility of stocks. What kind of advice would you give people that hold Berkshire Hathaway at a moment such as that?
Well, I've got the ultimate test on that because my estate at that point would be 99.75% invested in Berkshire, and I feel totally comfortable considering the arrangements that have been made and the businesses we own and the managers we have in place in terms of that. But no one will be more affected financially, let alone in other manners, by that truck than me. And so it's a thought that's crossed my mind. And, you know, it's a more important question to me than to anybody else. And I've answered it to my satisfaction. The directors have some of my thoughts on the subject, but the world will go on, the businesses will go on, and I think you'll have terrific management in place.
I appreciate that. Fine. And thank you for taking all three of these. They're so disconnected.
Okay, thank you.